What's going on, everybody? Happy New Year, happy 2024. Hope y'all had a wonderful holiday season and a very happy and safe New Year's. Last year was definitely one of the strangest real estate markets that I've ever seen here in El Paso County. We had still low inventory, but high interest rates, and so there was kind of these two different markets going on. For houses that were priced right and presented well, we were still seeing a ton of demand, and we were getting bidding wars, and those houses were selling for over ask with favorable terms for the sellers. But for houses that were priced a little too high and that were presented poorly, those would languish on the market for 30, 60, 90 or more days, and sometimes those would sell for a ton of money under ask. So we kind of had these two different markets, and nobody really knew whether to classify it as a seller's market or a buyer's market because it was kind of both. So heading into 2024, we're still kind of in this uncanny valley of real estate market where we have super low inventory. This morning we have 929 active existing single-family homes here in El Paso County on the market right now, and that's about 400 short of where it was towards the end of last year. So the number of new listings from November to December dropped 35.5%, and now just ticking over into January, it's even lower than that. While, from that same November to December timeframe, sales were up 5.6%. So again, low inventory, higher number of sales. It's just this super strange market. And then when you look at it right now, I think we're primed for not going back to the COVID kind of market, but similar to that, where we have very low inventory, interest rates are coming down, and there's a lot of pent-up demand. So I think what we're going to see, January and February are historically the slowest months here in Colorado Springs and El Paso County. But I think, come March, if rates kind of stay where they're at, or they even trend a little bit lower and inventory stays where it's at, I think we're going to be back to a super seller-friendly market where, like I said, there's a ton of pent-up demand. I think buyers are going to come out and they're going to start bidding on properties aggressively. I think prices are going to go up. I think we're going to be in a bidding war environment again. So I think if you're interested in buying a house, what that means, and if you have to move in the next couple of months, I think now is an opportunity while the rest of the market's kind of slumbering to get in and still be able to get a deal. If you're thinking about selling your house, it might be wise to wait until March, when historically the market picks up a little bit. And then again, I think we're going to see kind of a crazier market like we saw during the COVID years. So brace yourselves. I think 2024 is going to be kind of a roller coaster and a little bit insane again. If you have any questions about buying or selling a house and how to do it intelligently, please feel free to reach out, 719-338-3203. Thank you. Hey, if you found any of this information informative and you'd like to stay up to date with the latest in the Colorado Springs real estate market trends, give me a like, throw me a share, subscribe, comment. Any of that helps in this world. Thank you.